What's up, YouTube? We got a job right here. We gotta came back. We gotta get rid of that dirt, all this junk. We got the tractor right here, and we gotta hurry up before, because we got this gate locked open, and they're getting complaints, you know, if the gate's open. But hey, man, they're gonna have to suck it up, man, while we get this dirt out of here. So we're gonna hop on this. I think it's gonna be, we're gonna try to get that in one load, and then come back for one load. All right, let's do it. Night ups, moving concrete, downtown, Girls Bay. What's up, everybody? All right, we finally got it graded down a little bit. It's gonna be a heavy load, but we got it all on that whole pile in one load. So then that, and then we're gonna come back, and they asked us to grade this thing down about 3 inches, so it'll be another load. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this trash out of here, grade that down about a couple inches, all this, all that, make it nice and level right there. But we can do that with this tractor, man. It's pretty awesome. Got the bucket and the little grader attachment on the back. So yeah, so we'll come back tomorrow, knock that out. I'm just waiting for Christina to get back. She had to take off and go get the kids, so if I need some help getting out of here, I'm gonna park this here, go get the we're gonna go get the Isuzu right now, come back for this stuff, and then that's it. And then come back tomorrow. I'll probably bring the same setup. I'll grade it out first and then pull up to load it. It'll be easier if I grade that side first. It's really hard with these fences, because it's supposed to be blocked off, but I put some rope up there just to make sure, but it's supposed to be shut. But I think I'm gonna grade this area first, put the dumpster in there, and that way it'll give me all this room to work in. Yeah, easy peasy, man. When you got the right equipment, man, life is good. This that little boy we used to bring the dumpster, to bring that tractor on, just goes in there, chain it down. I got my chains over there. Drop it. You can even get in these tight spots right here, and I just load it from the back. Made me a little ramp right here, put some dirt here like a ramp, just drove right inside, drop it off, instead of, because I couldn't get it from the angles, too wide. So that's what's up, man. It's gonna look nice when they're done though. All right, we'll show pictures at the end too. Good morning, everybody. We're on day 3 of the project. Went there last night, checked out the tractor, make sure everything was good, locked up the gate. This morning,
turn left.
Take a left here, going to Carlsbad Village Drive. But yeah, this morning I made it to the dump. I was one of the first people in line. offloaded that load we had, and it was a full truck, man. I put a bunch of dirt and gravel. You know what was cool too? What was really cool is this guy showed up. He was there working. I guess he was a roofer. So they were doing some jobs there. He saw me there working, and on the site, he was there too to work on the site, job site. But he, what was cool was like, man, he just jumped right in and started helping me. Started like shoveling stuff into the tractor because we had a bunch of stuff, you know. And then, man, he helped me load the whole truck. Didn't even ask, didn't even give me a price, didn't nothing. Just jumped in, and started helping me because he saw me there working, and I was like, man, what a cool dude. So I kicked him down with $40. Right, that's all I had on me, but he only worked a little while, you know. It was a lot of work though. So man, kicked it down $40. I was like, thank you, sir. And then, man, him being a nice guy, he got $40 right there. And then 2 seconds later, a contractor walked up that was getting a coffee at the nearby Starbucks, and yeah, he came over and he was like, hey man, I'm a contractor. I heard him talking to him, and he's like, you built this thing? He had this really nice enclosure that they built over these dumpsters right there. And the guy's like, hey man, I'm a solar contractor, and I'm looking for somebody to help me build these, exactly what you just did, but so they can put solar panels on it. And the guy's like, boom. And I'm like, see how God works? You know, you bless people, man, you get blessed, man. That's how I always seen it. And I saw it right there in front of my eyes, and I thought that was really cool. And it happened to me so many times where I just help people, or I'm like, man, let me just do that for you, you know, or give them a super good price if they need it, you know, whatever is going on, and then it always comes back. So that was pretty cool to see, to witness that. That dude got double blessed, man, just for one kind act, and right timing, you know what I mean? Well, anyway, we're off back to the spot. Yeah, I just got to grade it out. That's about it. Like, I'll show you when I get there, but I just got to drop it down a couple inches, and then hit the high spots, make it look pretty decent. They're gonna have asphalt guys coming in there, and they just need it a little bit graded. It was already sitting at the 3 inches. There's not much to remove, but I was gonna flatten it out for them. Tractor's on site right now, and then I'll probably use this truck. I think I will. I think I'll probably just load it into this thing. Did pretty good last night. This thing was overloaded, man. Let me see, I just got the dump receipt. What was this tonnage on here? It was 1.75. Yeah, it was just a ton, almost 2 tons. It wasn't too bad. Felt heavier though, but I put a bunch of dirt. Maybe it was because on the tail end. I used the tractor and put a bunch of dirt on the butt end of this thing. All right, well, I'm gonna get over there and get on this, and then we'll show you some pictures.